Once upon a time, there was a girl named Akshi who was 14 years old and was recently shifted from a government school to a private school. Her parents really worked hard to support the family. Her father strongly believed in the education of girls. On the other hand, her mother, who had not gone to school and did not realize how important school was, along with reading and writing, she would ask Akshi to help her with household chores. Oh, I want to tell you one more thing. Akshi, like many of us, enjoyed eating good food. Over time, she gained a lot of weight. Akshi's mother felt that Akshi was overeating and wanted her to exercise because she was worried about her health. If Akshi would gain a lot of weight, she would have a lot of health issues. Akshi was really good at her studies and finished all her work on time. Akshi thought that she wanted to look beautiful. She also thought that being fat was ugly. What will her classmates think about her? That she was fat? They wouldn't talk and even play with her. Akshi was so afraid that she didn't want to go to school. But because her father has paid a lot of money for her to go to a good school, she has to go. It all began on day 1. A girl came up to her and out of nowhere just said,
"Hey, new girl. Wow, you're really fat. You look funny."
After this, Akshi was very nervous. She then decides to sit on the last bench where no one would notice her. It was a dusty and a damaged bench. The moment she sat on the bench, it broke. Everyone laughed at her.
Akshi is so fat that she broke the bench.
Akshi was really embarrassed, especially when she realized that her skirt has also ripped. She rushed to the washroom where the teacher gave her another uniform. Some days later, another classmate of Akshi said to her,
"You are not only fat but ugly and dark and friendless."
Akshi felt sad and helpless. She did not know whom to turn to. Another classmate came and said,
"Hey, shorty."
In the library period, when Akshi was about to sit, her classmate said,
"Hey, fatty, choose another chair to sit at."
Akshi felt hurt, confused, but the classmate's remark didn't stop. She thought, maybe I'm ugly. No one wants to be with me. Everyone hates me. I wish I was beautiful, and then everyone would love me. As time passed by, things only got worse. What started with a classmate saying mean things, but now her own classmates waited for her after school and would beat her up on her way back home. What a bunch of bullies! One day, Akshi's maths teacher noticed that Akshi was looking sad and tearful in class. She called Akshi to the staff room. Her teacher said,
"I have been noticing that you look sad in class. Has something happened?"
She started crying and told her teacher all the mean things her classmates were doing and how sad and hurt she's feeling. Gogli comes and sprinkles some fairy dust. The teacher said,
Everyone wants to look beautiful. That's okay, but everybody is different. Some say long hair looks best, and some say short hair. Some say that a long nose is funny, but others say different things. You know, different people find different things beautiful. And did you know, in some countries like Africa, skinny people are considered funny and ugly. They like bigger and fat-built people and they are called beautiful.
Akshi said.
Really, teacher?
Her teacher added.
Here's another thing. Being beautiful is not just on the outside. The more important question is, how do you look inside? In our hearts and minds, how do we behave with others? Being kind, thoughtful, helpful? That's when someone is truly beautiful. Just like you don't like your classmates who say mean things to you.
Akshi thought for a while and asked her teacher.
Am I beautiful inside, teacher?
Her teacher smiled.
I believe you are, Akshi. You're helpful, good at maths, and you helped that boy the other day. I saw you carrying his heavy bag when Rohan's hand was fractured. You're absolutely beautiful, my dear.
Akshi added.
But, teacher, I still feel bad.
Her teacher said.
Of course, it's hurtful when people say such mean things. You can try and ignore those classmates who say and do these things to you. One more thing, beating others is not okay. I will talk to the school principal and call these children and speak to them about how our school follows zero tolerance policy on bullying. No one has the right to say mean things and do hurtful things to others.
Akshi was relaxed. She smiled and said.
Thank you, teacher. I'm so glad that I was able to speak to you. I feel better now.
Teacher added.
You're welcome, Akshi. And remember, you can talk to me anytime whenever you're in trouble. I'm always there for you.
Akshi gradually started gathering her courage together and decided to fight back. The support of a teacher made such a difference in her life. Akshi now is a happy-go-lucky girl and is now focusing on the various school activities. Akshi also disclosed to her father how she was treated from day one and also told him how her teacher motivated her to be a fearless girl. So this is Googly, friend of Ajubagar. Let's hear what Googly has to say.
So Googly, did you see how the teacher helped Akshi overcome her insecurities and her experiences of bullying? Sometimes being a good listener can work in many wonderful ways. Just like Akshi, there are many children who undergo such experiences. But if their teachers are supportive and encourage them, it can bring a change in children's lives.
Yes, Ajubagar, that's why I really like you and share all my problems with you. You are the best.
I'm glad, Googly, you mentioned that. If anyone is in trouble, we can share it with someone who we trust. So friends, let's join hands together and make the school bullying free.